What's up, I'm Tyler. I'm going to take a video on how I take apart my kayak after it's built, after I've used it. I'm going to make it short and sweet, so here we go. The first thing I do is unbuckle the strap behind the seat. I'll just pull it through. Now unwind this and make it about as loose as it'll go. Okay. Then I undo this Velcro strap, pull it out, and then take the seat out. I do set the seat aside, and I put it on top after I'm done. Pick up the bumpers. I loosen up the footrest all the way. Just kind of just lay it in there. And then loosen these buckles and lay them outside, just so it's easier to mess with. Okay. Now the first things I do is undo these. Cotter pin, push, spin, undo. Alright, same on the other side. There are the cotter pins. Push, spin, done. Push, spin, done. Then the next thing are these two. Cotter pin, push, spin, undone. Kind of pull those out a little bit. Cotter pin, push, spin. You want to make sure that you've got these unbuckled, this right here. To do that, you pretty much just have to push it in and pull it out like that. Now when I fold mine up, I go front to back. First fold. And the second fold, you want to make sure this is flat with the ground. Going. With the side wedge lips, you want to make sure those are flat with the ground as well, and they are. Same with these here, and you'll have to kind of maybe tuck those a little bit. One. And what I do is make sure the fin is kind of flat. Take this, lay it on top, the Velcro strap. There's enough room where you can usually feed it under. Feed it up under, around. Stitch that up, and then you should have the buckles at the sides, to which you hook the carrying strap, and then the other accessories you can kind of wiggle those in. So like there's a big opening in the center now. So that's when I'll take and put the side bumpers down in there. Just like so. Easy sauce. And then it's done. And that's a wrap.